People, this spice is not the only thing that can lower your blood pressure naturally. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 2 other herbal remedies that can lower your blood pressure naturally. But before we dive into it, smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, comment below, and remember to share my videos with your friends. This spice right here, it is called cayenne pepper, and if you know it well, it is very spicy. But here is something that most people are unaware of. When it comes on to blood circulation, excellent blood flow, heart health, strengthening the heart, helping blood vessels, cayenne pepper is the go-to spice for you. And this is why this cayenne pepper is featured in this video. People, cayenne pepper is excellent to help lower high blood pressure. In addition to this, cayenne pepper is known for its pain relieving properties. It is also excellent, people, for fever and bad cholesterol level. Alright, so what I'm going to be showing you is a simple routine that you can do twice a day for 7 days to help improve your blood pressure reading and also support heart health. Alright, so stick around and let us dive into this some more. Alright people, if you're just starting out with cayenne pepper, you can use 1/4 teaspoon to 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper to 150 milliliters of warm water or 250 milliliters of warm water. And the amazing thing about cayenne pepper water, people, is that it not only helps to lower high blood pressure, but it also helps to relieve pain. And guess what? Because of its heating properties, it is excellent to reduce or break a fever. People, this spice is so powerful, and this is why I'm having some right now, because it helps with blood flow, better circulation, and supports overall heart and circulatory health. Right now, people, I am here, prepping the second herbal remedy, all natural, right here in my yard. When it comes on to potassium, when it comes on to electrolytes, when it comes on to cardiovascular health, this right here is a natural powerhouse. It is called coconut. Did you know that the coconut water, you can actually squeeze lime or lemon juice in your coconut water and drink it to lower high blood pressure? Not only that, coconut water is packed with electrolytes that helps to hydrate and rehydrate the body. This right here, my friends, is a natural gift from Yahweh to us. For all the persons who are still watching this video and you love coconut water, just leave a comment saying I love coconut water. People, coconut water also help with cells and tissue repair, and drinking 1 to 2 cups of coconut water every day, this will definitely help to boost the immune system and strengthen the body. Drink coconut water for the heart and the blood. Alright people, so the third one is onion, and we're going to use the whole onion, right? We're going to use also the onion peel. Alright, so we're going to wash this properly. Alright, so just washing our onion properly to remove any dirt from it, just make it clean. Alright people, so what we'll be making now with this onion is onion tea. Onion tea is excellent for metabolism, excellent for respiratory problems, excellent for coughs, excellent for asthma, excellent for the heart, people. In addition to this, onion tea is also excellent for bad cholesterol levels, excellent for high blood sugar, and excellent for persons with high blood pressure. I know a lot of persons have never seen onion tea being made before, and this is why I want to show you how to make it. And also, people, I'll be placing a very important ingredient in this onion tea to make it even more powerful. So I want you to stick around that you can understand and learn how to make onion tea even more powerful, people. When I say more powerful, I mean also help with blood circulation, help with memory, helps with the brain, and also people to help with sleep and inflammation. I must tell you that I personally love this tea because it is amazing. And I know the same way this tea has helped me, the same it will help many people across the globe to heal naturally. Alright people, so we chop our onion and we place it in our teapot along with the onion peel. And knowing to make this tea is vital, especially when it comes on to the cold and flu season. People, I'm telling you, even when a slight cold, slight cough, even a sore throat comes around, right, you can definitely count on your onion tea, right? You can also combine the onion with ginger, you know, just to ward off like flu symptoms, a fever, and respiratory distress. All right, so for the one onion, you can pour like 3 to 4 cups of water, right? And then I'm gonna add the secret ingredient, 1 teaspoon of Eliyah Mashiach NS powder, which is a combination of skullcap and other herbs that are powerful. I'll pin a link in the description below. You can drink 1 to 2 cups of this daily. One love, shalom.